and rightly so, before the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission over the obnoxious law and outrageous pricing system for advertisement in Kogi State as pronounced by the Kogi State government. And we are here because we do know and believe that the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act mandates this commission to accept complaints and interfere or intervene with issues that have to do with commerce. I know your mandate only allow complaints that is commerce related, and because what the draconian law by the Kogi State government that have to do with signages, the issue of signages are not security issues, they are not religious issues, they are issues of commerce, because the establishment responsible for the collection of signage fees in Kogi State is a money generating agency. So I know that this is within your mandate and your purview as a commission. That is why we are here to lay this complaint and deliver petition. The Kogi State government have given discriminatory pricing as it relates to signages. They've given outrageous prices as it relates to pricing. And I know your mandate also forbid excessive pricing. By your mandate and the act establishing this commission, you are also against extraneous, excessive pricing system and to also protect competition. So we are here to lay this complaint because the Kogi State government declared that for any political party in Kogi State to advertise, to raise billboards, to paste posters and other signages, you will have to first make a whooping, pay a whooping sum of 50 million naira deposit. And then there's a 2 million price on each billboard that is mounted or erected within the territorial space of Kogi State. By the time we look at the available billboards we have already, we will be spending over 1 billion naira. We will have to pay over 1 billion naira in order to advertise, in order to promote our political party through signages across the state. And Section 88 of the Electoral Act is very clear that we are not permitted as a party or as a governorship candidate to spend more than 1 billion naira in totality for our elections. So if signages alone is going to cost us over 1 billion, then we will be committing an offense because we would have contravened the provisions of the Electoral Act. So we are here to make sure that there is amelioration, there's palliation and correction to this obnoxious, draconian, selective, disruptive order by the Kogi State government that is targeted definitely at all other political parties and opposition parties in the state. And I know that one of the statements in your mandate is to correct or stop discriminative competition, or to exercise some people from effective participation in a commerce-related situation or industry. So we are here to officially present our petition to the commission, believing that we are operating within your mandate and that our our petition is within your jurisdiction of operation, and it has to do with commerce. And we do believe that this commission, with your recent activities, with your recent posture, will definitely go into this petition and help to correct the anomalies therein. So the petition is directed to the Director General of the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, and it is titled Petition Against the Action of Kogi State Government, Kogi State Signage and Advertising Agency, and their appointed consultant. So on behalf of the People's Democratic Party and the Dino Melaye governorship campaign organization in Kogi State, I hereby present this on behalf of the People's Democratic Party and the Dino Melaye Governorship Campaign Organization in Kogi State. We present this petition against the action of Kogi State government, Kogi State Signage and Advertising Agency, and the appointed consultants. I present this on behalf of the PDP. I so present.
The confidence in us to complain to us. And so it will be subjected to a normal procedure of investigation and verification of all the facts, and then we'll get back to you in due time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.